My people, you know, sometimes nobody really knows the pain that other people are carrying inside. Every day we wake up, we wash our face, we put on our clothes, we fix we hair, and we step out like everything alright. Big smile upon our face, man. Good morning, how are you? I'm good. How about you? But you know the truth is, nobody see the storm we just prayed through last night. Nobody knows the tears that drop in the bathroom before work. Nobody knows the bills, the stress, the heartbreak, and the silent battles that are going on inside of you. The truth is, for some of us, if it wasn't for the mercy of God, we wouldn't even be sane right now. No, and allow me to tell, because the truth is, we are not strong by ourselves. It's grace, it's prayer, it's God holding us together with his invisible glue. So you see, when you see people smiling, don't assume life is easy. Be kind, be gentle, and most importantly, be patient. Because everybody's fighting something you can't see. And sometimes your kindness might be the only thing, trust me, the only thing that will help them get through the day. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night, in which part of the world on the day. Be kind, my people.